Hello, and welcome to Kimberbell's How to Punch Needle series of tutorials. I'm Kim Christofferson, and I'm so excited to share with you my tips and tutorials for making beautiful punch needle projects for your home. While some of our punch needle projects only incorporate yarns, like you see with traditional punch needle like this, you're also going to find a whole other look and feel by combining our love of fabrics and embellishments with yarn, creating a beautiful mixed media approach to this hobby. Now, those kinds of projects will fall under a Kimberbell line known as Punch Needle Plus, and I'll explain more about that in just a moment. But in short, those are going to elevate your project with the extra little wow that I think you're going to love. Each technique on a pattern will coordinate with a video to demonstrate that technique. I'll be walking you through the majority of these using our sampler project called Punch Needle in Bloom. Once you learn the Kimberbell punch needle techniques, you'll be able to pick up any Kimberbell punch needle project and have it done in no time at all. In addition to the tutorials, watch for other videos that will include troubleshooting and tips, as well as how to finish off your designs in a variety of unique ways, such as pillows and a whole lot more. So, are you ready to see what's inside a Kimberbell punch needle kit? Let's take a look at this Punch Needle in Bloom kit as our example. First, it comes in this really pretty and practical zippered bag. This is perfect for keeping all of the contents together and just being ready to take it on the go when you're ready to work on your project. Now, in this case, you're also going to notice that it has the Punch Needle Plus logo, or PNP for short, which means that this is a punch needle project plus either fabric appliques and or embellishments that will elevate the entire look of your design. When you open the kit, you'll see that you have literally everything you need to complete your project. In this bag, you're going to find your punch needle cloth stretched nice and taut across a wood frame. This is the perfect base for starting your project. Plus, in the end, you'll have it ready for hanging. While this one is on a wood frame, you may find other kits, such as this Bloomin' Bee, that includes the punch needle cloth with its serged edges, along with a faux wooden hoop to stitch it in. To learn more about that, please refer to our How to Prepare Your Fabric for Punch Needle video. Now, let's take a look at what else you're going to find in a Kimberbell punch needle kit. First, you've got to have the right tools for the job. So you'll find a punch needle tool, the threader, a water-soluble marking pen for quick and easy tracing, and 2 hand needles and another threader for sewing on embellishments or doing just small amounts of hand embroidery. Now that you've got the right tools, it's time to take a look at those gorgeous colors of yarn that are also included. Each kit has been specially curated with just the right amount of yarn you'll need to complete your project, as well as embroidery floss if needed, and in cases where there is a fabric applique component, well, you're going to have a pre-cut, pre-fused applique shape as well, ready to be added. Would you like even more wow to your project? Embellishments such as specialty buttons, ribbons, and gems might also be included. And of course, let's not forget the pattern itself. Through this video tutorial series, I'll show you exactly how to read the pattern so that you know which technique to use and when. And to remind you of the techniques you've learned, you can always scan the QR code on the pattern, which is going to take you to the list of tutorials. Simply open up your camera or your QR scanner found on your cell phone and hover over the QR code. Doing so will allow you to click on a link that takes you directly to that page of tutorials. If you don't have a phone, no problem. You can always find those by going directly to the link found below. So are you ready to get a little loopy? Punch needle projects take a relatively short amount of time. They can be learned by all ages and is a hobby that you'll enjoy whether you're relaxing at the end of a long day, watching a movie, traveling, or even getting together with friends. You're going to absolutely fall in love with it. Click on your first video called How to Thread a Punch Needle Tool to get started, and then go on this step-by-step journey with me as we stitch our sampler project called Punch Needle in Bloom. Have fun!